reptiles coming up.
Hi everybody, today we are at the Rainforest Adventures Zoo. We are going to go in and see some animals. I pre-purchased our tickets online. The total cost was about $63 with tax, but that's for all 4 of us to get in. They don't offer any kind of a military discount, but Kylie is anxious to get inside, so we'll see you in there.
You ready? It's windy as heck out. Always wind blowing. Can't avoid it. All right, you ready? Yay! All right, get your Mickey outfits on. Let's go, kids.
They are open every day from 9 to 5, it says, but I see a bunch of people sitting out in their cars for some reason. I hope it's open. Oh, there's the monkeys! I don't know what kind they are, but they kind of look like monkeys. Come on, Kai.
Look what they are.
Let's see. Oh,
Look what they are.
you're right, they are lemurs.
Lemurs.
I was way off. Grandma can't think anymore.
Big Nick.
Ooh.
Look at this big Nick.
That's a python. Yeah, she didn't bring it. I'm sorry.
Lizard.
It is a little lizard.
I'm a lizard.
Did you see the monkeys?
Oh no.
Those are actually lemurs. I kept saying monkeys too.
Well,
Oh no.
Yeah, there was a sign by it.
You are those.
Kai, look at the snake. Ooh.
Okay.
It's gonna get you. Lots of snakes. It's a California king snake. Hmm.
It doesn't work.
I think he's sleeping. Let's see what's over here.
oh, look at that little guy.
He's fast.
Ooh. Hi.
Say hi.
See.
Got a face like
Oh, you see a turtle?
he's scratching his head.
There's a small turtle.
Aww.
Oh,
Turtle.
There's
There's lots of little animals in here, huh?
There's a lot of animals in here.
Look
There's a big
at Look at
Where?
this. Look.
right there.
We can't let Kylie see that. She is definitely afraid of spiders.
Look at that. Look.
Oh, that's a big snake. Look, Kai. Ooh. The kookaburra.
Oh, look.
So this is where you go outside to see the goats. You want to go outside?
Let's go see the goats.
Yeah. You've been screaming outside, dear. We're going outside.
Oh, no.
I'm glad the rain held off so we could come out.
There's a baby.
Oh, we're in our nice shoes though, and it's muddy out here.
It's not muddy out here.
A little wet. You want to walk back here first? Here. It's just plants.
Let's see what's back
Well, let's not touch it. We don't want to mess them up. Yeah, let's see some birds. It looks like they're going to be making more things or bringing out more exhibits. That's the word I'm looking for. They're all empty. It looks like it's too cold for them, but it's about 70 degrees today. But you know, that's just how it goes. All right, we got some stuff. We got a monkey. There's our monkey. A black cap capuchin monkey. Aww, Grayson. It's your spirit animal. And it doesn't hold still, just like you don't. Hi! Say hi, monkey. Oh, he's hiding. Oh, there he is. Hi, buddy. Hopefully he doesn't fling poo at us or something. You see a monkey? So the Rainforest Adventure Zoo is kind of small. It does have a lot of smaller animals. It's not very expensive, and it's a really good option on a day like it's raining, because other than this outdoor area, everything else is inside. It's an inexpensive option to take little kids, and they really like it. These two like it. It's a pheasant. You see it? I always wondered what those were.
Good.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Oh,
That's
it's
pretty.
fluffing up its feathers at us.
Good.
He's very pretty. Wow, what a pretty color.
I don't think Grayson wants to get down and dirty today and feed him. Oh, look at that one, Kai. Can we pet him? Look. Kai Kai. Aww. Hi.
God, he's got a hunger.
They're famished.
Kylie, you want some?
We came on a slow day. They're hungry. She's like, nope.
Yeah.
You don't want to feed them?
Bravo. You take one for the team.
You always do, Grandpa.
You guys are rough.
We appreciate that. At least Kylie's getting close.
Want some?
Be careful.
You guys are
Look, this shit.
I see.
a little bit of everybody.
Mm-hmm. Kylie's just excited to be here.
I'm having this one. He's like, look, I'm a new coach.
You've never seen me before, I swear.
Did you see that?
Yeah. Survival of the fittest, I guess.
He's like, look, I've not been here. I haven't had it.
You didn't get me.
You didn't get me, mate.
I don't know if these goats would have a British accent, though.
I didn't want to be like that, you know. Hey, here you go, man.
Took the bag.
Oh, there's that one.
Yeah, well, I think he's gonna probably eat it. Hurry! Another area we have to flee from. Come here. You got some hungry friends over this way. Come here, Kylie. We're going over here. You're leading me sideways.
That was bad.
What was bad? These guys called.
They're llamas.
Oh, llamas. That's Grayson's like enemy. Remember, he stole the cup at the deer farm.
Look. Do you want to pet that guy?
I'm gonna try if Kylie will let go of my hand for 2 seconds. Look, I want to pet him. Can I pet him? Hi. There we go. He's like, I will not chill. Oh, they're ramming each other. Aggressive.
You can pet him.
Go ahead, Kai Kai. Pet him.
I can pet him.
You gonna pet him? Look at this guy. I just want to
Come on, little guy.
feed that goat that didn't come down at the top over there.
Yeah, I'll get him.
And then I think we're done. Did you guys have fun doing this?
Yeah.
We're going over this way, Kai. Come on.
Let's just go.
There you go. We'll bring it to you. You don't have to come get it. All right, guys, you ready to go back inside and see some more?
I'm scared of that.
Say bye, guys. Can we give him a pet goodbye, Kylie? Let's say bye-bye. 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 You're not going to touch him? Yeah, say bye-bye. Let's get bye-bye. You going to pet him?
Bye-bye.
She's going to say bye-bye. Oh, it's the lemurs. They're from Madagascar. Well, the movie, that's how I know them. Oh, but they actually are from Madagascar. See, you learned something new. It's educational. Look, Kai. I like to move it, move it.
I like to move it, move it.
We like to move it. Oh, they're coming to say hi. What do you think, Kylie? You could add that to your menagerie of animals at your house.
Yeah, maybe your mama will take
Yeah, she might. I'm not sure what he is.
Maybe it was a mouse.
That would be a big mouse, Grayson. Oh, look.
What's it?
Huh, interesting. Not sure what these things are because Kylie's running through so fast I can't even look. I don't know what she's in an all-fire rush to do.
Hurry, look here.
Hurry and go what? Hurry and go where, I should say. Guess that's where they give them their checkups and stuff.
It's a research station.
Same thing. I think that's an armadillo, a friendly armadillo.
What does it know?
I only say that from Courage the Cowardly Dog. Tom used to watch that show.
Oh, yeah.
And there was a part in it that were saying like, I'm a friendly armadillo. Some useless knowledge for you.
Good stuff.
Ah, I hear something with a big mouth, Grayson. Let's go see it.
Stop.
Oh, he's talking.
Ah.
Hello. Hi. Oh, look at this Kai Kai. It looks like it's got like the body of a lizard and the head of a snake. Ooh. It's a northern blue-tongued skink.
Yeah.
You like that?
We'll hold hand.
Yes, I'll hold your hand. Interesting. Looks like there's a chameleon in there, but... Oh, there it is. Blends in really well. Look at these guys. Hello. Say hi. You think it's a mouse? You and Grayson think everything is a mouse. That's so funny. I think if I saw a mouse like that in the house, I think this is more like a mouse. It's the dagu. Dagu? Dinosaurs. You're so funny. That is a bearded dragon. Yeah. I mean, for a small little zoo, they have a lot of exhibits. They really do, and it's really like animals. I've never seen these animals at the Cincinnati Zoo. The marmoset.
Check it out, man.
What?
E equals MC squared.
Oh,
Einstein.
Einstein. That is the cotton top tamarin. I'm sure I'm not pronouncing that right. Or Einstein, as Lenny called him. Ooh, what is this? Hey, Kai Kai.
It's a speckled king.
Look at Kai Kai.
He's looking at Kai Kai.
Hi.
You think he wants to give her a smooch?
No, I think he wants to eat her.
Sorry, Kai.
What's this?
What are these, like guinea pigs? They kind of look like to me. You see the guineas? I hear that bird back there squawking. Yeah. Noisy. Is that a bear cat?
I can't see him. What is that?
I'll find out while you see what Grayson has to show you right this second.
A big
Come.
Well, he's resting. Let's see. Grandpa thought it was a bear cat, but no, it's that. That's why we come here. We learn things. Yes, Kylie. Some more snakes. A milk snake. A Mexican milk snake. Snake? What color is the snake? Can you tell Grandma what color it is? Is it black? Look at this guy.
Oh my gosh. Whoa. Amazing water.
So I thought it was a snake at first, like at first glance, and then I realized it was more like a lizard. All things I would not want to encounter, like outside of these cages. We already went that way. Did we go that way?
Yeah, what's the entrance?
Oh. Grandma has no sense of directions. Thank goodness for Grandpa. Who knows where we would end up? They're poisonous frogs. They're very little. They're pretty color though. Purple frogs, blue frogs.
This way,
Hi. You can tell they're very intelligent.
He's thinking.
Yeah, he's thinking. Hey. Like to know what's on your mind. Something tasty. Yes, dear. Whoa. That's a lot of racket.
He didn't like me getting too close to his turtle friend.
He's like,
Look at the beak on that guy. What's the matter, Wish? You want to see the bird?
I think they're stunned into silence.
What? He's laughing at you, Bailey.
Oh look, he's whipping his head back and forth. He's got a lot of personality.
Look at this.
Hi!
You want dessert? He's not hot. You want dessert? Come here. Look at me.
Tell him, Kai, tell him. You tell those birds.
Did you hear this?
What's the name of that fish? Grayson, you really could be the most brilliant child.
And you learned this in school?
Look how it looks like. Axolotl.
I can't believe you knew that.
Good job, buddy. You're very smart.
Speaking of Einsteins, right? Is that a sloth? It seems sloth-like. Man, that bird has been heckling us since it saw us. So we're at a zoo with animals, and Grayson found the most obnoxious area. The bleachers. Well, I think we are all done here. We went through it pretty quickly, but we did see everything, and we fed the goats. We're gonna get Grayson this little toy he saw when we first got in here. I told him he could get it if he was good, which he was pretty good. And I think we're gonna go back to the cabin